Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to give a huge thank you to Bobbi Boss for supplying today's unit. She is lovely and can't wait to get her on. What's so exciting about her is that she is part of a new series at Bobbi Boss called the Super Laid Flat. It's not just laid flat, y'all. It is super laid flat. So I cannot wait to get her on. She's a beautiful take on the page boy, and I know I'm dating myself perhaps, but we used to call those styles, really sleek styles that come around, and I love the ones that have the asymmetry that are kind of low in the back but they come up to the front and really go along your jawline and just frame the face so pretty. This is one of them. Bobbi Boss sent me two of such. The other one I will be reviewing shortly has a beautiful take on the page boy, very unique. But today we are going to bring out Magnolia. Now, just look at all of that. Look at how it is super laid flat up on the top. And I think that's really nice because that might just eliminate the need for you to have to, wax it, put the heat on it and whatnot. So we're going to see if that really lives up to what it says. But just, where to begin with her? Just sleek all the way down in these lovely layers here. The color I have, very similar to this. And before we talk about her, these are some of the other styles in the Super Laid Flat series. So we are definitely going to hit Magnolia today, but we also have this beauty right here. So I can't wait to show that one to you. So before we introduce her to you and let you see her, again, she is part of the Super Laid Flat series. She has that real scalp vibe, y'all. And let me just show you this real quick. See what you're getting here? Look at that top. So it's made wider to really lay down. She is made with HD transparent lace. She has the unique to Bobbi Boss Metafresh cap. She has baby hair and she is heat safe. She just has everything. This is just it. All right. So I have said this before and I'm going to say it again. Bobbi Boss just blends colors beautifully. I love the way they do the ombre effect, and even with the bosses that are full, the wigs that are full head-on color. Like, remember Philia? If you go to my other videos, Philia is just that fire engine red, but it's this beautiful mix of different colors. Bobbi Boss does that better than anybody I know. Well, I have her in TT4-BLDBR. And so we're looking at dark, beautiful roots that go into this lovely blonde that just goes into this beautiful kind of root beer color. This would just scream summer to me. Part is very nice. I'm okay with this part. And I like the fact that it's a shorter part. To me that's just more believable. You have the baby hair. With a style like this, I don't think I will be using the baby hair, but they are there for you if you would like them. Let's get this cap construction and you can see just what she's talking about. Very nice. Look at that ribbing there. Two combs here. Your comb, your adjustable straps. I'm expecting an easy install with her, so I'm going to tint this lace and we will get going. This cap is so comfy. It almost feels like I have nothing on my head. So I'm a size 23. I think if you're a larger head size, you might just really enjoy this. And it probably has to do with that laid flat. Oh, I'm sorry, super laid flat. I never know how I'm gonna like a color until I put the unit on. And sometimes, you know, when I see a color in the box or I take it out and show it to you, I'm just all so excited, and then I get it on and it's like, ooh. A little bit of the Smooth and Shine Polishing Silk and Sleek. It's a clear liquid, but oh my goodness, this stuff. Now, there's a lovely radiance on the wig anyway, but this just takes it up a few notches and it lays any flyaway hairs you may have down. Super easy install, and just look at that color. Isn't that pretty? And it's just unusual. I like the fact that it's very unique. You're just not going to find this any place. And I think these colors, if you are someone with melanin, I think these colors are just going to really complement your skin tone, especially this beautiful root beer shade. How lovely. Now, and I've said this before, I'm not one to do hair in my face. I can't do it. There are just some women who can do this. So I need to see if this will pass the behind the ear test. Having a little bit of a difficult time. But that really says something to the density on this hair. This has a very nice density. Just what you need. It is not flimsy at all. What about that super laid part? I mean, that is just doing it for me. I mean, you just don't have to put heat on this or wax. You can just, this is done. The color you don't have to sell me on. I'm loving the color. Just a fun color, especially for summer and going into fall. I think this is really fun. And again, the cap is so comfy, which is what you need when it's hot outside, you're on vacation, you don't want to be bothered with the agony. And I know there's agony in beauty, but come on now, we don't have to do that. We really don't. Definitely a great vacation style. Throw her in the suitcase. And because the cap is so comfy, if you have like a really long flight and you need to sleep on the plane, this is a good one. I mean, you're not going to feel this. It's just really very comfortable. So I am loving to hear your feedback on the style and the color. And if you've gotten into the super late flat series, gotta hear how you love it, or what you may, any concerns you may have about it. Let us know. I want to say thank you again to Bobbi Boss. She is fun. I am loving on her. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Please thumbs me up. And if you haven't, please subscribe. Guys, we're reaching the next 100 mark soon. So I just so appreciate all of you and your input and for subscribing to my channel. And I hope you will check out the Super Late Flat series. I'll be doing another one on it real soon. And guys, thanks so much. Enjoy your blessings on today. Continue to stay blessed, and we'll see you next time.